Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Fudan University. So let's get started. So to log into your Fudan University, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Fudan University login. After searching for Fudan University login, now what you can do is just simply scroll down. And after scrolling down here, you can find the login link for Fudan University. So what you can do is just tap on that, and after tapping on that, it will direct you to this page. From here, what you can do is just simply enter your email address, and after entering your email address, you just have to enter your password and then just enter the verification code. So in first blank, you have to enter your email address. After entering your email address, you just have to enter your password and then enter your verification code, which you can see beside that. So if you find this verification code confusing, or if you can't understand what it is, what you can do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, it will refresh itself and you will receive a new one. So what you can do is just simply enter that. So after entering your verification code, what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. So if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forward password, you can easily reset or recover your password. You can also do the same with your email address. If you have forgotten your email address, you just have to tap on resend verification email, and you can easily reset another email for your account. So if you want to register a new account, that means if you don't have an account, what you can do is just tap on register a new account, and after tapping on register a new account, you can register a new account that you can use. But if you do remember your email address and password, you can just simply enter your email address and password. You can simply enter your email address and password. After entering that, you can just tap on login and you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Fudan University. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.